So hello guys, myself is Harshit Kumar and as you all know I am pursuing PGDM diploma in retail management from James College Delhi. And in today's video I will tell you that which college is better for you, because many of my videos, like lots of you have asked that which college is best, like IILM, Gurgaon, Jaipuria, James College, and DIM. There are a lot of colleges, and I think most of the students who pass out their graduation, so many of them have already received the call from any particular counselor, so that they are suggesting that this college is better for marketing and this college is better for finance. So just find out that which college is best for you, and for further information let's watch the complete video and then you will get to know which college is best for you. Now come to our main topic, that which college is best for you. See, first of all, on YouTube I can't tell you that which college is best for you. First of all, you have to analyze yourself, then you can decide your colleges. So in first thing you can analyze yourself, that what are the percentage you got in graduation, then which entrance exam you have given, and what are the percentage you got in that entrance exam. Then you can search about those colleges. So those like entrance exam is accepting these colleges, so you can just list down all these five colleges, that these fees and these are the curriculum and these are the stream you can get in this marks. So after list down the all five colleges, you can just search all of the information. If you find any good colleges and that are like good for you, their fees structure is on an average, and the if they are telling you that on an average every student is getting this much like package, so you can just list down all the factor. Then you should connect with the alumni of that particular college only. For example, if you ask me anything about the James College, so I will definitely tell you all of the ground reality, that where did I did my live project, where I did my internship. So all of what are the curriculum and non-curriculum activities, and what are the my exposure after completing the PGDM. So I will tell you the ground reality. So same with any particular college also, like NDIM, ILM, Gurgaon, Jaipuria, FDDI, all of the colleges, same thing you can apply with other colleges only. And now this like time you can connect any alumni of any college. So just do the search, do the research on any particular college, and if you find out that this college is good for you, so you can just connect with the alumni, so they will tell you definitely everything in the ground reality. Even if they have a better option for you, they will also suggest you. So like I will tell you my about my college benefit and drawbacks. So same, if I find that many student who pass out with my same batch, so from any other college, so if they are getting high package, then high package, not only high package in terms of learning, exposure, everything, then I will definitely suggest you the better college. So this way you can you can just research about any college, and you can find that which college is best for you in terms of exposure, in terms of fees structure, in terms of ROI, which is a return on investment. So you can just research and take advice from alumni also, and I think you will get information and reviews on website also, but most of them are fake. So you can just depend on the alumni and the ground reality they can only tell you. So here is a last suggestion for you, is that just do not think much about any particular thing about this, that you are already late and you want to go in any particular good college. See, basically if you want to do MBA, then you will definitely get in a good college on average, but just do not take a admission in any college just shake off doing MBA. Because if you will invest one time investment plus your 2 years, because after doing the MBA you will not regret yourself that I did this MBA and I am regretting now. If I You will definitely think that I can start a like work after graduation instead of doing MBA. See, basically if you have a time, then you can take a 1 year gap, and then you can focus more on improving communication, learn more and more new thing, and just focus on any particular entrance exam which most of the colleges are accepting. If you compete with with any entrance exam, then you will definitely get in a good college. And just don't do MBA for just getting the salary good package, because I know that this is our like end goal, but first of all you have to like pass the process to get any particular result. So just focus on the process, then you will definitely get the result whatever you want. So either if you can wait for a 1 year and you can compete with the any entrance exam, then you can also focus for any particular entrance exam, then you can go in any good college. So you will get all of the your ROI, and it will be fruitful for you only, not for me, not for any other person. It will be more fruitful for you if you do good in if you take a good like if you take a admission in good college, because it will be end of the day it will be matter to you. Then you should wait for a 1 year, or you can take admission this same year also. So if you can't wait for 1 year, then you can also take a admission in same year. So you will get in a good college also this year also, because many of colleges are accepting your admission without any particular entrance exam. Even if you have not given any entrance exam, they will conduct their own entrance exam, so you will get an admission also. So I hope this video will make sense for you, because many of the students have asked this particular questions that which college is better for everyone. So I think I hope I have given answer through this video only. So till that, bye bye, good luck and happy Holi.